Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're talking tarot cards. Was this card meant to find you today? Maybe? Subscribe to this playlist as we take a journey into each of the tarot cards one by one and the meanings of the imagery and message they convey. Let's get started. The Empress, card number 3. The Empress is often depicted as a nurturing figure seated on a throne surrounded by a lush, fertile landscape. She is often pregnant, symbolizing fertility, creation, and the potential for growth. She wears a crown of stars representing her connection to the divine, and the wheat at her feet signifies abundance. This card is about fertility and abundance. The Empress is a card of creation and growth, whether in terms of actual pregnancy, creative projects, or new ventures. It's also about nurturing and care. She represents maternal energy, encouraging you to take care of yourself and others, offering unconditional love and support. The Empress is also deeply connected to nature, which is symbolizing the importance of grounding yourself and finding balance through the natural world. We hope you enjoyed this message. Did it resonate with you? If so, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.